Rio Bank provides excellent financial services to the community, and we spoke with commercial loan officer Yaneli Jimenez, who tells us knowing where you're at when it comes to your credit score is so important.
Well, it's always important to see where you're at in your credit score. A lot of questions we get asked is, how can I improve it? How can I take care of it? And the number one advice that we can give is making sure you always give your payments on time, because that is your reputation. And your reputation, we all know it as a personal wise, our social media, who we talk to, who we get along with, but your credit score identifies you as your financial reputation. Making a payment on time is very important because that directly affects your credit score in the way that if you miss a payment, those points will come down really quick, and it can take up to a year to just regain them back.
Yaneli tells us there are a variety of ways you can build your credit history.
So building your credit history can start with any new credit card, an auto loan, co-signing with someone that you trust. That's very important, and just making sure that you give your payments on time. And another great tip is you can always give a little bit more than your minimum payment. Just giving $1 extra goes a long way. That's going to help you build your reputation.
And when it comes to protecting your credit score, it's important you protect your personal information.
If you have any bank statements, make sure that you just don't throw it in the trash. Shred it. Make sure that information is not easy to get from another individual. If you get any phone calls, getting asked questions about, easy application over the phone for this credit card or loan, don't do that, because you just never know when it can just be one of those hackers, a third-party individual that's just out there to get your identity.
And keeping up with your payments is key to maintaining that good credit score.
So just keeping track of your accounts, making sure that those payments go through. Also making sure that you recognize your accounts. That way, if anything uncommon, unfamiliar to you pops up, you're able to identify that right away and work on getting it corrected.
With the Rio Bank mobile banking app, you'll have access to Credit Sense, where you can access your credit score along with personalized tips on how to improve and maintain an already great score.
We can run different scenarios, as in if you obtain more debt, how would your credit score change? If you were to pay down some debt, if it would go down or go up, how would it affect it?
So don't hesitate to reach out to the professionals at Rio Bank.
Okay, we're here to answer any questions that you may have at any time.
For more information, call 956-631-7890 or visit www.rio.bank.